And to the final section, manage. And we are going to uninstall all of this hard work. So before you begin, as it indicates here, please be sure to remove any Lightning Webex components. So everything that you've done in your setup, in your desktop utility, and all of your customizations, we need to revert back. And we need to uninstall of those customizations, your permission sets, and your sites. So here are the things that you've configured throughout this process. We need to make sure. Now, if you haven't done that successfully, you will be prompted with those specific items that need to be removed. So we're going to go to our setup page, apps, packaging, install packages, and we'll see the Salesforce package that we initially installed, okay? So setup, apps. We can just scroll on down to our install packages. This should be familiar. And right in the middle of the page, it will load. You should see Webex for Salesforce. Here's our version 1.10. And if we select uninstall, there's probably one or two packages. And this is just a reminder here that permanent deletion will occur. Okay, but not to fret, because you'll notice that when you go to uninstall, you can save a copy of that data for 48 hours. Yes, and uninstall, and there's probably two packages here, or two objects, as I thought. There we go. And there is a link. There's two components that I need to remove. Until I do that, I'll be unable to uninstall. And Visualforce page, that is going to link to a site. And here's a heads up. It is the last step here to remove a Visualforce page from a site, setup, sites, and edit.